Hi guys, this is Shoge Photography. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to change your background. Do you have that particular image you just want to, take to the next level, and you just want the background to look kind of better? You want to change your background from something to something else to anything? This is a process to achieve that. There are a lot of processes out there that you can use to change your background. This is just one. And today I'm going to be teaching you a very good method to change your background. I'm going to be giving you step by step on the processes to change your background. Now this is an image that I've done my frequency separation, dodge and burn, and a little bit of color grading. This is the before, this is the after. I have done all those things in this particular group here. Now to get started with changing of the background, I'm going to merge the whole layer into one particular layer on top. To do that, I'll press my Shift, Alternative, Control E or Command E. Yes, now this is everything on this particular layer. I can actually hide this or thereabout, but then I'll just leave it alone. We'll work with this layer on top. Step 2 is to go to your quick selection tool, which is here, and go to select subjects. And Photoshop will automatically try to select something that looks like a subject. Now it has done a good job in selecting her as a subject. So the next step, which is step 3, is to come here to my max tool, add layer max, and just with the selection still on, click on the add layer max. So now the principle of this layer max is anywhere that is black in this particular image is hidden, and anywhere that is white is revealed. Okay, to explain that better, let me hide this and then hide this. Now anywhere that is white, which is the subject, is the only thing that is revealed on this layer, and anywhere that is black, which is the background, and everything is hidden. Let me bring back those images. So now the next step, which is step 4, is to import the background I want to use. Now I have this background that I want to use. I'll just import it in and scale it up. I'm going to move it to any place. I think I like this mixture to be close to the middle. I'm just going to click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just drag this overlay under this first layer, and that is done. I have my background changed already. So now the reason why I actually did the layer max method is because I want to work non-destructively. I want to be able to go back to this particular layer and adjust things to the way I want it. Now I can take my brush tool, go to my brush tool, and paint on this layer max. I can paint black or white. So now if I am to paint black on this layer, means I am hiding the things. I'm hiding R from this layer. So now I can say, okay, I don't want R to be showing again. You see, I've hidden R from this particular layer. And painting white means I am, revealing things I want to display on that particular layer. I hope you get that. Let me undo and undo and undo and undo again. Alright, so now I can actually go into those edges, like this area. Can go into those edges, take my distance, switch it to white because I want to reveal some other details here. I think I'm going to reduce the opacity and then just brush gently. You see, now it's showing like this because I am brushing on a layer. I'm not supposed to do this. I'm supposed to brush to paint on the layer mark, which is this other small black and white here. So if I'm to paint white on this black and white here, you see it's revealing the air, and then I can switch to black again, which is to hide, and then just fine tune one or two things in that area. Let's fine tune it. And I can now go into the edges, those edges, and just, you know, fine tune anything I want to bring back. And I think I'm okay with that. Okay, let me bring back some of the eyelashes here. Yep. Yeah, it's still a little bit not very clean. Let's brush it away to hide this part of the hair. And then we have this. So there's still a lot of things you can do. What can I do? Okay, you can decide, okay, let me add maybe a curve adjustment and maybe make the background a little bit darker. You see, I'm doing this under the picture of her. So now this is only affecting the background, which is this one that we changed. So see, before, after. I think this background is inside. Let me remove it from this group. Let it be on the layer itself. So now you see, and you can go ahead and adjust and add a lot of things you can do. You can also decide to change the color. Maybe this orange is something you don't like. You can just go to the E1 saturation, click on the adjust, make sure everything are under this particular layer which has a picture in it. You can just pick by clicking on this thing and click and pick this orange here and adjust the hue to whatever thing you want. You see, I think I kind of like this. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. So whatever thing you want, you can make it darker, and that is it. Before, after, before, after. Maybe let me hide this or just reduce the opacity of this. So now I'm done, and I think this picture, these colors are amazing. So now let's check the before. This is the before, after, before, after. What do you think? I think I love it. I think I totally love it. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video if you think you've learned one or two from it, share it with your friends, and turn on the bell notification so that you can always get alert whenever I post anything on YouTube. So thank you very much. Peace out.